Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this big head effect. It's quick tutorial, pretty simple, straight to the point. Overall technique of this effect you'll be able to achieve in any other situation or scenario or shots that you would like to give that big head look to, or just enlarge a certain feature of the object's body. So let's just get straight into it. Right here on the timeline I have two clips. My bottom clip is just a clean clip with no effects on it like that, and the top one is just the head. I already pre-roto it out just for time's sake. Overall, it's pretty easy. So you're going to want to go in your effects control here, type in magnify under this distort layer and drag that onto your roto head and turn the size up. Bam, just like that. And you can kind of just drag this to the center of his head. I'm going to do that first. For time being, toggle center on the first frame. I'm just going to drag it right here to his eyebrow, go about 4 frames forward and repeat the process. In the meantime, you can check my web for presets, link will be in the description. Press U on your keyboard to bring up the keyframes. Select all your keyframes, right click and choose Easy Ease, or just press F9 right away. And if you wanted to take it a step further and add more animation to it, toggle a magnification keyframe on the first frame and change it to 100, then go 4 to 5 frames forward and change it to 150, go straight to the end and repeat the process. So on the last frame change it to 100 and then go again 5 frames backwards and change it to 150. Again, press U, select all the keyframes and press F9 for Easy Ease. If we want, we can place the keyframes directly under the center keyframes. I hope this video was quick and to the point for you guys. I try to make these semi-quick because I myself hate watching long tutorials, so I try to make everything straight to the point. If you feel like I went over anything too quickly in this video, feel free to rewatch it at a slower pace and make pauses where necessary.